Science Creations Chemistry Kit Activity 4, learning the difference between a chemical and a physical change. Hey, Science Creations, Sunflower students, parents, teachers, or camp counselors. In this activity, we will be doing either a chemical or a physical change. Kids have to know the difference or see if they can tell the difference. So, in the kit, you have baking soda, vinegar, and a beaker. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is spice it up a little bit. I have my flask, and we are going to put in our baking soda. Now, safety first. This looks like what? Water? No, it's vinegar. If you smell it, it doesn't smell like water, and we don't know what this white substance is unless it's labeled. So safety first, never touch, taste, or smell any chemical if you don't know what it is. So, since we know now that this is vinegar and baking soda, we are going to pour our baking soda inside of the flask. We're gonna do it. You see I have a pan underneath. I said, let me make it a little bit neater just in case, right? So, now we're gonna pour our vinegar. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whoa! It makes a big mess when you use a lot of ingredients. Kids, you have to figure out, is this a chemical or physical change based off what we learned in the chemistry kit. So, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on sciencecreations.com. Peace. Bye.